Have you heard of the 1987 Sneeze Saga that gripped America? It began when news outlets reported an inexplicable epidemic causing people to sneeze uncontrollably nationwide. With scientists perplexed, the media frenzy only escalated, inciting fear of a mysterious airborne virus or allergen. Rumors ran wild, attributing the sneezes to government experiments or alien dust, amplifying public anxiety. Ultimately, investigations revealed the phenomenon stemmed from environmental changes and psychosomatic reactions influenced by mass hysteria. This saga serves as a reminder of the media's influential role in turning minor health scares into widespread concerns, exemplifying the need for journalistic responsibility and scientific clarity.